other types of apps do you have? You mentioned about 50 or so. What are the types of applications you have built there today?
We have a lot of trial litigation cases that are specific to each client. So there's a lot of routing that happens with those databases where, if somebody's reviewing something, it also contains a lot of content and attachments. They want it self-contained. And as you mentioned, and I put Domino's searching and indexing capability above a lot of other software, just because it is self-contained. We don't have to use other engines, and it's fast. I mean, I guess I consider myself a Domino advocate because it does work so well. Other structures that we have another case management that is web-based outside of the Domino environment. We built that specifically for one of our large clients, and though it works great, we had to use a third-party a vendor to build that out for us, and is only specific for that client. So we are looking strategically on trying to house everything within one environment, so that the multitude of softwares that we have, especially for lateral attorneys that come on board, they are bringing on their database structures that they're used to. And so keeping up with that software and administering those as well is a lot to do for the resources that we have. And we could spend that time and resources on other projects. So we are looking to Domino Volt to help us build out a solution for all of our litigation group, so that when they work from case to case, they don't have to rely on a specific software. They can just up and go, because it's going to have a familiarity that they have once we build this out.